Hello, my dear lovely kids. How are you? I hope all are fine. And what about your studies? Are you studying at home? Okay, this is Miss Jyoti, and I am here to conduct an activity on the topic Home Sweet Home. Okay, children, we all live with our family in our homes, and our home has many rooms. We all know their names, isn't it? We all know their names now. Children, see, this is the activity that we have to do today, okay? Now, let's see that what we have to do in this activity. Children, in the puzzle given below, circle the names of different rooms in a house. Children, in this puzzle box, we have to circle the names of different rooms, okay? And the names of the room is given. Number 1, kitchen. So, in this puzzle box, we have to search where this word kitchen is written, and then we have to circle, okay? Let's see the spelling of kitchen. Kitchen, kitchen. Children, now let's search the first letter. And what is the first letter? K. See where K is written in this puzzle. K is here. And what was the second letter? I. Then second letter is I. Third letter T. T? No, it is not here. Means we have to search another K. Now look, where is another K written? Yes, over here. No? And then second letter is I. Yes. Third letter is T. Yes. Fourth letter is C. Then H, E, N. So here is the word kitchen written in this puzzle box. Now you have to circle this name, kitchen. Yes. Now second one is living room. Children, now we have to search where living room is written in this puzzle box. And what is the spelling of living room? L-I-V-I-N-G, living room, R-O-O-M, room. Now see where is living room here written in this puzzle box. The first letter is L. So search where L is written. Yes, one L is here, and then second letter is I. No. Search another L. Yes, second letter is I. No, this is also not. Search where another L. Yes. Then second letter is I. Third letter is V. Then I, N, G, R, O, O, M. Means we have found the word living room. No? We have found the name of the room in a house, that is living room. So now we have to circle this name. Now children, draw a circle. Yes. We have found two rooms, na? Kitchen and living room. Now we have to search for third room. And what it is? Study room. Spelling of study room is STUDYROOM. No? Now see where is S written, because the first letter of this room's name is S. Yes, here is S. Where is another S? Another letter T, second letter T. No, this is not matching. This is also not matching. Search another S. S, second letter was T. No, this is also not matching. Where is another S? No, this will also not match. Yes, here it is, no? S T U D Y, study room, ROOM. Yes. So draw circle in this room. Now we have to search for fourth room, that is bathroom. Children, and what is the spelling of bathroom? BATHROOM, bathroom. Now we have to search bathroom in this puzzle box. See where the first letter of the room bathroom is written? B. Where B is written? Here it is, na? And second letter was A. No, this is E. What was second letter? A. Third letter was T. Yes, then HROOM, bathroom. We have found the word bathroom in this puzzle box. Now draw circle. We have to draw circle, na? Yes, this is now complete. This now we have to search fifth room's name, na? That is dining room. And children, what we do in dining room? Yes, we eat our food in dining room. So where is dining room written? Search the first letter, that is D. D is here. Second letter I. This is not matching. This is also not matching. One D, second letter I, then third letter N, then fourth letter was I, and here it is R, means it is not matching. Search another D in this puzzle box. Yes, here it is. No? Second letter I, then third letter N, fourth letter I, fifth letter N, then sixth letter G, seventh letter R, eighth letter O, ninth letter O, and 10th letter O. Dining room means we have found another room, that is dining room, in this puzzle box. So now draw circle on this room. Now we have to find bedroom. Children, again search in this puzzle box where bedroom is written. So let's see the spelling of bedroom. BEDROOM, bedroom. Na? Children, the first letter is B and second letter is E, then third letter is D. Let's find where B is written. Yes, here it is. Second letter E. No, this is not matching. And third letter is D. This is not matching. Let's see this side. Second letter E, third letter D, fourth letter R, then O, O, M. Yes, we have found again the word bedroom the name of the room that we have in our house, that is bedroom. And in bedroom what we do? Yes, we sleep and take rest in bedroom. So children, this way we have completed this puzzle, and I hope this puzzle was very interesting. You all have enjoyed solving this puzzle with me, na? So that's all for the class today. Have a nice day.